Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for SSV network. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now, as we can see here on the monthly, we only have one candle, so not a lot of price action to work with. So let's go ahead and hop to the weekly. Now here on the weekly, we don't really have a lot, but we can go ahead and plot a support level right here. As price came down, hit, and reversed. And since there's not a lot of price action, we're going to give you a bonus today and go ahead and hop to the daily. So, what do we notice? We can go ahead and plot our daily swing low here. And as always, color coordinate your key levels to the time frame you're working in. We can also go ahead and plot a resistance level here as we see multiple reactions acting to the same level as resistance, which is obvious to spot here on the daily time frame. And let's go ahead and plot our daily swing high. As this is the highest point, price is closed on the daily time frame. Notice how we had a long wick reacting to the same key level as resistance. So, these are all of the key levels plotted on the monthly, weekly, and daily time frame for SSV network. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.